Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. It's not just a concept from science fiction anymore, it's becoming a part of our everyday lives. From self-driving cars navigating busy streets to advanced medical robots diagnosing patients with precision, AI is everywhere. Its impact is undeniable and far-reaching. But what exactly is AI? How does it work, and why is it so transformative? In simple terms, AI involves training machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes recognizing patterns, learning from data, and making decisions. This includes learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data and come up with solutions faster than any human could. The implications of this technology are profound. It has the potential to change the way we live and work in ways we are only beginning to understand. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, automate tasks, and create new possibilities. From manufacturing to healthcare, the applications are endless. For engineers, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's a crucial skill that can open doors to new opportunities and innovations. It is essential for staying ahead of the curve and shaping the future. Embracing AI means being at the forefront of technological advancement and driving progress.
Before diving into the world of AI, engineers need a solid foundation. This foundation is built on several key areas of knowledge and skills that are indispensable for success in the field. Strong mathematical skills, particularly in linear algebra and calculus, are crucial. These areas of math help engineers understand the underlying principles of many AI algorithms and models. A good grasp of statistics and probability is also essential for understanding AI algorithms. These skills enable engineers to analyze data effectively and make informed decisions based on statistical insights. Familiarity with programming languages like Python is equally important. Python's simplicity and readability make it a popular choice among engineers and developers. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks make it ideal for AI development. Libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch provide powerful tools for building and training AI models. Once these fundamentals are in place, engineers can confidently embark on their AI learning journey. With a strong